Okay, just another cracking car from Phillips and Co. Automotive. Now we've got a 2008 Peugeot 207cc. So it's the hardtop convertible. Has the reverse parking sensors. Good set of tyres. She's only travelled 64,000 kilometres. I believe it is a one-owner vehicle from new. And they've got a full service history all the way through. Exterior presents in very good condition. Just a beautiful car. We'll take a look at the interior as well. So we've got two remote keys there. Got some radio controls there as well. 64,000 kilometres. Little onboard computer up the top there. We've got your CD radio. It's a dual zone climate air conditioning, and it's an automatic transmission with the Tiptronic. So I'll just show you the seat trim. That's the driver's seat trim, all in excellent condition. Front passenger seat also very good. There's your logbooks. Check out the photos for the service history. And then you've got the two seats in the back, making it a four-seater. All inquiries are welcome. Give us a call on 9939 0227.